Hello guys, if we are already monetized, we need to be careful the video or anything that we upload in our profile or Facebook page. So we need to upload with a line in community guidelines. So guys, it means if you upload the kind of like this picture which is violence, guys, it's not allowed, and it might be the possibility that Facebook will remove your content monetization or whatever tools that you have right now. Facebook will remove because you are uploading against the Facebook community guidelines. So guys, we need to be careful that violence video, anything video or picture or text post violence, it's not allowed and it's not aligned with the Facebook community guideline. We need to be careful. So guys, if you want more idea on Facebook community guideline, I will put on the comment section the Facebook community guideline, so that if you have time, just read, educate yourself, so that you have idea to avoid the future violation, or you cannot upload possible violation in the future, so that your tools, whatever tools you have, Facebook will not remove. So we need to be careful. So guys, check the comment section, the Facebook community guideline. I will put there what is allowed and what is right and it's not allowed to upload here in Facebook. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.